Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm sharing with you my very first fall haul of 2020. I have some beautiful pieces from H&M and Zara. I will make sure that I link everything in the description box down below. I'll include all the sizes that I picked everything up in, and I have my sizing details in the description box as well. And fall fashion is my absolute favorite. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. You're definitely going to want to come back because I have a lot of fall content coming your way that you're not going to want to miss. So I thought we'd start things off with H&M. I just have a couple of pieces from there, though I have placed another H&M order, and I have actually at Zara as well. So perhaps we will have a follow-up haul to this one. So definitely stay tuned for that. But the first piece I want to share with you from H&M is this stunning ribbed effect knitted dress. Oh my goodness, it is just absolutely gorgeous. I shared this over on my Instagram stories and I received so many messages about it. I think also the way I styled it up, which you will see in the tran clip, the look just came together so nicely. Initially, I was a little bit hesitant with the color. I wasn't sure if I could pull it off. If they had done this in a cream, maybe they'll come out with it in a cream, I think I would have just about died because we all know I love my light neutrals. But this is a very gorgeous piece to have in your wardrobe for the fall and the winter season. And I was going through my fall wardrobe and I want to wear dresses and skirts as much as possible. So I think this is going to be a fantastic option. Let me tell you, they have cut no corners with this dress. From the stunning neckline, it is extremely flattering. It's not too plunging, but just wait for the try and clip. It is so gorgeous. The sleeves are beautiful. I love that they're wider at the top and then they kind of taper down and they're quite cuffed along the wrist. The dress comes to a really nice length as well, and it has quite a bit of weight to it. So it's definitely going to be a warm piece to have on your body, especially during kind of the later fall and early winter months. I did want to point out that I picked this piece up in a size extra small. And just for reference, right now I'm 100 pounds, so I do think the dress runs a little bit on the small side because it's quite form-fitted on me. So may I suggest perhaps sizing up in this dress? Since I intend on living in dresses and skirts as much as I can throughout the fall season, I thought this dress could be a really great option. And just fair warning, there are a lot of faux leather pieces in today's video. It is so on trend for fall 2020 and I absolutely love it. I find my style gets a little bit more edgy during the fall season. So this piece is just absolutely gorgeous. I believe it also comes in black if this color is not your thing, but it certainly is mine. So it buttons up at the front. So easy to get in and out of. You all know that I don't love pieces I have to pull over top of my head. So this one is great because you can just step right into it. It also has a belt detail around the waist, which is fantastic. It'll really cinch you in and give a nice shape to the body. The dress comes to a really nice length as well. It is in a faux leather, so it's not super heavy duty. You could easily pop a t-shirt on underneath. You could wear a pair of biker or spandex shorts. You could pair it with tights, with ankle boots, knee-high boots, or even over-the-knee boots. I feel like there's so many different ways that you can style up this really gorgeous dress. The next piece I have to share with you is one that I'm probably the most excited about in today's video. I was anticipating her arrival, and it is this beautiful wool blend coat from H&M. I shared this over on my Instagram stories. I got such a deal on this jacket. I'm a member with H&M. It's free. Anybody can become a member, and I found a reward in my account. So I think I got either 20 or 30% off of this jacket. So it came out to, I think, 150 Canadian. It retails for 179 Canadian dollars. I know that sounds steep for H&M, but it is a premium quality piece. I love looking at that section of their website, particularly during the fall and the winter months, because they get pieces that are in a genuine leather fabric, in suede, in wool, and also in cashmere. And I think for the price versus the quality, you're really getting what you pay for. This coat is just absolutely gorgeous. Did I need another camel wool coat? No, I don't think I did, because this now makes my third. So I might actually sell one of my other ones because I don't really need three, but whew, is she beautiful. And I know I'm going to get so much wear out of her. Hopefully not until November. I'm hoping the temperatures stay nice throughout September and October, but she has this really stunning kind of brushed wool effect, which I thought looked so much more high-end and expensive. This jacket could easily pass for a piece from Max Mara, from French Connection, that would retail for well over $500 to $1,000. So excited to find this at H&M. The stitching along the outside, I just think really helps to elevate it. It has a beautiful belt detail at the front. The pockets, I believe, are functioning pockets. You just have to unstitch the inside gently, and then you should have a functioning pocket there. And then the jacket just comes to a really nice length. So I am so excited. I cannot wait to wear her. I know it sounds a little bit early to start talking about wool coats, but they sell out quickly. So if you have your eye on this one, then I certainly would not delay. So let's move in to Zara. The first piece that I have to share with you from there is this really gorgeous knitted crop style sweater top. That's what I'm going to call it. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I thought it was quite unique when I spotted it online, so I wanted to give it a try. Naturally, I love the color. I really enjoy my light neutrals all year round. This top just has so many stunning design details. I love the voluminous sleeves, and then they're cuffed at the wrist. It has a really pretty neckline, and then this really nice design detail down at the front here. It's not too plunging, which kind of balances it out because it is a little bit on the crop side. And I just thought it was absolutely adorable. How I envision styling it is with, I'm thinking a high-waisted skirt or a pair of high-waisted jeans, and then pairing it with a cute pair of either ankle, knee-high, or even over-the-knee boots. Now this next piece I have to share with you, I was really excited about it when I spotted it on the Zara website, but then when I put it on my body, did I ever feel deceived? Let me tell you. Now as I mentioned, have been doing all my shopping online, and I've spoken to you before about how I feel about the Zara website. Particularly not a huge fan of how they style the models or have them posing in ways in such that you actually can't even see what the garment looks like. And this is kind of how I feel about this overshirt. Now on the model, and I'm assuming she was about 5'9" or taller and had absolute legs for days, she wasn't wearing any pants, so no bottoms with this overshirt. So naturally, I'm 5'3". I was thinking, well, I could probably pull that off as a dress. Oh no, it is definitely an overshirt, so I don't know why they didn't have any pants on her, because you can't actually wear this piece as a dress. So if you're hoping to wear it as a dress, I don't think it's going to work out. But it is really cool as an overshirt. It has some just really nice design details. I really like the sleeves. It buttons up at the front, really easy to get in and out of. It has a cool belted detail, which is removable, so you can swap it out for your own belt if you prefer. I did want to point out that the bottom button comes to about here. So you'd have this little piece, you know, showing off your you know what down there, and we don't want that. And then it also has a couple slits on the side, so then your booty would also be on display if you wanted to wear it as a dress. So I would suggest styling it with a pair of leggings, whether they're a pair of faux leather leggings or even a pair of jeans. You could pop it over top of, I'm thinking even like a ribbed effect. Ooh, maybe like a sweater style skirt. That would look really cute as well. A lot of different ways that you can style this piece, just maybe don't wear it as a dress. All right, darlings, I want you to give me a hand with this next one. So next up, we have these two faux leather moto style jackets, both from Zara. Yes, they are the exact same, just in two different colors. And do I need both of them? No, I do not. So please leave me a comment down below. Let me know which jacket you think I should keep, because I think it's just a little bit unnecessary to hang on to both of them. They are virtually identical, but they do have some subtle design detail differences. I believe it also comes in black if that's a little bit more up your street. Now this really gorgeous camel shade, it has gold hardware on it, and when I think about my handbags and even a lot of my footwear, I think the majority of them have gold hardware detailing on it, and I don't mind mixing my metals, but I was just really excited to see that on this particular jacket, and I do really love the color. But will I get more wear out of the cream? That is the question, and this one has silver hardware on it. I think I'm partial to the cream. I'm still trying to make up my mind. So this is where you come in. Let me know which one you prefer. I also wanted to mention that I sized up in these jackets. So I don't think the extra small initially was available online when I placed my order. So I took a chance and ordered them in a size small, and I'm glad I did because I wear this style the most during the fall and the winter season. And of course we're a little bit more layered up. So it's important to be able to get your knitwear underneath your jackets. Of course you can just sling it over top of your shoulders, but I still want to be able to get my arms through if need be. But I don't think it looks too oversized over top of kind of like a lighter material dress. So my tip would be to go up one size into these jackets, but let me know which one you prefer. When I spotted the skirt, I felt like finally my skirt prayers have been answered. I have been longing for the retailers to come out with a faux leather cream skirt for a couple of fall seasons now, especially I think since I really started to gravitate towards wearing light neutrals. We always see these pieces done in black, in brown, in cognac, in burgundy. We're even seeing them in green. Lots of actually colorful leathers this season, but so rare to find a piece in cream, and it's just so incredibly true to my personal style. Now, I have already picked up this skirt from Aritzia. That's how excited I was to see that cream skirts were being done this season. The skirt from Aritzia is 88 Canadian, whereas the one from Zara is only 40. So I ordered the one from Zara to see if I could justify hanging on to the one from Aritzia, and here are my thoughts on it. Personally, I like the fit of the skirt from Aritzia better on me. The size range is just a little bit more extensive, whereas the extra small from Zara is a little bit loose on my waist. Whereas this skirt, I picked it up in a 00, and I think it fits like a glove. I also think the design details on this skirt are just a little bit more minimal than the one from Zara. It has a zip closure on the side opposed to the front, which I personally do prefer. However, this is so true to my personal style. That's how I can kind of justify splurging and spending $88 on it, because I know it's something that I'm going to reach for future fall and winter seasons to come, because it's just so me. Now, if you're wanting to experiment and try out wearing a cream faux leather skirt, but you're not 100% sure how you're going to feel about it, then I would recommend going for the skirt from Zara. It's just a little bit more affordable, and it's a great way to try out the trend. I told you there was going to be a lot of faux leather in today's video, and when I say something, well, I mean it. These are so gorgeous, and they're also so me, and guess what? They do come in other colors. I believe they also come in a black and a really gorgeous shade of cognac. I think the same shade as the overshirt that we all thought was supposed to be a dress. I think they come in the same shade as that. So Zara does faux leather leggings so well. I've tried these on and I absolutely love them. They have a button detail at the front here. They come up really high-waisted, which is awesome because it looks so flattering on the body. And then they have a zip closure, and then at the bottom they do have zippers, which just adds a little bit of ease. So unzip it up a little bit and it'll help you get your foot through the leggings. And then they don't have any pockets at the back, but they have a nice kind of seam design detail across the knee section. I am going to wear these so much during the fall and winter season. They're just a nice alternative to wearing a pair of cotton leggings or a pair of jeans. Sometimes I get a little bit over it, and I think that you can really elevate these. You can dress them up. You can wear them with heels, with ankle boots, with knee high, with over the knee boots. You can wear a nice little oversized sweater. It'll look really gorgeous with some of your wool coats. Endless ways to style them, and I think they're a real staple to have in your fall wardrobe. Now, a piece that I can get behind, and that is so true to my personal style, is this little beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? This is a faux leather trench coat in this stunning creamy beige color. Whew. I fell in love when I spotted her online, practically fell off my bed, immediately added this jacket to my cart, and I cannot wait to start wearing it. It's a great piece to have in your fall wardrobe, especially just because it's not that chilly yet. So I'm hoping I don't need my wool coats until November, but this is a piece that I can layer up underneath. I can wear all throughout October, November, and even kind of into the new year. The color is just going to go really well with my wardrobe, and the jacket is just really nicely constructed. It has a good weight, it's lined. The only thing I think is a little bit odd about it is it has this strange little slit on the wrist here. I'm not sure why they included that, so I'm going to find a way to either put like a little button closure. Hey mom, I'm sure you're watching my video. What would you suggest? I'm thinking some kind of snap button detail so it doesn't compromise the integrity of the look of the sleeve. I'm open to your opinions, or you could probably cuff it up, but I don't know if I love the look of the lining exposed. I'm going to experiment with it, but I do love the way I styled it up in the try-on clip with a sweater dress and a pair of boots. Yes, that is an outfit I am going to be rocking all throughout fall. It has a nice belted detail, deep pockets at the front so you could pop in your phone, your card holder, your car keys. As I mentioned, a really great gorgeous length that's going to keep your body nice and warm and covered up. It has slits up the side, and I just am in love with it. I cannot wait to start wearing it. I hope today's haul has you as excited for the fall season as it does me. I'd love to know what your favorite item was that I shared, so make sure to leave me a comment down below. Come hang out with me over on Instagram. I'm on stories every single day. You can find me at the Flightalista. If you aren't already subscribed, subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on any of my fall content. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to see you next week in my next video. Take care. Bye.